314 feet tall. It's about a 1/3 scale replica of the real Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. We're traveling to the 275-foot platform. While you're up on our platform, I do have a couple rules. There is no eating, there's no drinking, there's no smoking, including vaping. I also ask there's no running on the platform either. And it is against Ohio state law to spit, throw, or drop any object off the side of the tower. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, my good friend Dante is up here walking around. But if he's not able to answer your questions, I'd be happy to on the trip down. These doors to my right are going to open, so make sure we're stepping back, please. No. I probably remove it fast like that. Alright, go with the over.
Oh, please do.
Are we tired? Go ahead. Really? Come over here. Hey, we're up here.
Here, we're going to try to get an elevator.
How long do you think it's going to be? Really? Go to the other side. I'm going to go look at the tower.
Baby, to be able to ride again, we're going to have to do maintenance. Alright, you ready to go down?
2 times taller.
Oh, Diamondback.
Diamondback's over here.
Orion, I see.
Where's that one back there? What is that called? That one. No, one more. It stopped again. Oh my gosh, that's proud.
Could expand. We're getting on. Okay.
bubble. Way out there.
As we head down there, any questions, comments, or concerns?
How long ago was this built?
Over 50 years.
Your side. Coaster.
The Whitesinger.
That's not a coaster. Did you
like the wall ride?
see how is that Orion as tall as this?
What's that?
Is that Orion as tall as this?
Technically, Orion takes you a little higher.
That's a name. This isn't Kansas, though. There's no wind in this.
I can't comment on that. These doors are going to open to my right.
Thank you.
Hi, Caleb.
Bye-bye.